Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit messages on LinkedIn. So for this, go first on your LinkedIn account. Okay, now go for the message box and choose your message box. Okay, now I'm just edit this uh, message. Okay, just keep your cursor here and you can see a three dot option here. Just click on it and you can see the edit option here. So again click on it and now you can edit your message from here. So I'll just edit this one. Okay, then save it and it's edited now. You can see. So guys, this is how you can edit messages on LinkedIn. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.